thanks for tuning into my channel today. I am going to be doing a RuPaul's Drag Race inspired Christmas party look. I've been very inspired by the harsh eye looks of drag queens. I do actually want to try gluing down my eyebrows and seeing what it would be like to have more room to play. If you want to learn how to recreate this look, stay tuned. Morphe's Ready Set Gold will be my main source of shadows for this eye look. JH30 Star. I'm using this color as my base, so I am applying it over my entire lid. Sticking with the JH30 MUA. This shade is just going on my outer corner and along my crease. JH34 Sleek. This one's just going on my inner crease and flicking it up towards my outer eyebrow. JH37 from the new Nude by Huda Beauty, I'm using Crave. This is going in my inner corners. JH41, the shade True Gold. I'm spraying my brush with Fix Plus just so that metallic really sticks to my lid. This is going all over my lid, up to my crease, and then flicking it towards my outer corner. Back in with JH37 and Crave. Adding the Fix Plus really made this shade more reflective. JH38, even more of Crave. Packing some more onto the inner corner and then hitting right under my eyebrow as well on the brow bone. JH40 with Mint. I'm using this shade to darken my outer corners, still following that harsh line towards my eyebrow. JH40 Agency. I'm just going over Mint to deepen it and darken it a little bit more. JH30. Without any product on the brush, I'm just buffing out the edges. JH41 and Urban Decay's Blackout eyeshadow. As you can see, I'm just layering this on top of where I've already put the darker eyeshadows. JH30 Star. Just to buff out that black. Using Kat Von D's tattoo liner in Trooper Black. JH40 Star. I'm using this blending brush instead of a pencil brush to really get a smoky eye on the bottom. Same brush, MUA. JH39 Sleek. A little bit of Fix Plus. JH43 and Urban Decay's Blackout eyeshadow, staying tight to my lashes. Urban Decay's 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in Oil Slick. I'm just putting this along my waterline. Now for lashes. These are the Natalia lashes from House of Lashes. And off camera, I'm doing my eyebrows, contour, blush, and highlighter using Jeffree Star's Poinsettia for my lip color. After the liquid lipstick dried, I put some glitter primer on by Too Faced and then topped it off with Too Faced Wrapped in Pink glitter. The lips were supposed to look a little bit more red. I used Poinsettia by Jeffree Star as my base, which is like a red, but it's more on the pink side of red. And then my glitter is called Wrapped in Pink. So I knew the glitter was going to look pink, but on top of the reddish pink lipstick, it didn't come through as much red as I wanted. So I think if I were to do this look again, I would go in with unicorn blood with the pink sparkles on top just to make it look a little bit darker and deeper of a red. I like how it brings my eyes up more. I might try and do that, keep my shadow from dropping any lower than that. With all the upcoming Christmas parties, I thought I would do a look that wasn't difficult to create but has a little bit more impact. I will be doing some more Christmas inspired makeup in the next week or so. I'm gonna try a green eye look with red lips, maybe even gold lips with a red eye. Thanks again for tuning in, guys. I have my hair in a really bad French braid because I was actually about to go to bed. Had my hair all braided and oiled for bedtime, and decided I wasn't sleepy enough to go to bed, so I decided to get up and do a makeup look, and now I feel too sleepy to wash this off, but you know, it's a lot of makeup to fall asleep in, and I just cleaned my sheets, so